Pandas are universally adored for their distinctive black and white appearance and gentle demeanor. Despite their global appeal, they have faced criticism over the past 2 decades. Critics argue that bamboo is not an ideal diet for pandas, question their reproductive capabilities, and even suggest that conservation efforts may be futile. In this article, we will address these concerns and demonstrate why pandas are more resilient and capable than often perceived. Dispelling myths about panda reproduction. One of the most persistent myths about pandas is that they are poor breeders. Early captive breeding programs had limited success, leading some researchers to doubt pandas' ability to reproduce effectively. However, this view is outdated. Recent studies reveal that wild giant pandas have a reproduction rate exceeding 60%. For instance, a study observed an adult female panda giving birth to 5 cubs, all of whom survived to adulthood. Typically, panda mothers give birth every 2 years, comparable to other bear species. Captive breeding programs have also seen significant improvements. Initial challenges arose from a lack of understanding of panda mating and cub-rearing behaviors. However, advances in research and breeding techniques have led to higher success rates. By 2006, over 90% of captive-bred panda cubs were surviving to adulthood. Innovative practices, such as rotating twin cubs to ensure both receive maternal care, have further improved survival rates. These developments prove that pandas are adept at reproducing, both in the wild and in captivity. Bamboo, the panda's perfect choice. Critics often argue that bamboo is an inadequate food source for pandas. Bamboo, which constitutes the majority of a panda's diet, is low in nutrients and difficult for most animals to digest. Despite this, pandas have evolved to thrive on bamboo. The vast availability of bamboo in their natural habitats eliminates competition for this resource, allowing pandas to feast on it without rivalry. Moreover, pandas have specialized anatomical and physiological adaptations for consuming bamboo. Their jaws are incredibly strong, and their teeth are flat and broad, ideal for crushing bamboo stalks. Additionally, pandas possess a pseudo-thumb, a modified wrist bone, that helps them grasp bamboo with precision. Their digestive systems, including gut bacteria, are also adapted to process bamboo efficiently. While it might seem unusual for a bear to have such a specialized diet, pandas are not unique in their dietary adaptations. Other bear species, such as polar bears and sloth bears, also have diets that deviate from the typical carnivorous expectations. Polar bears, for example, primarily consume fatty blubber rather than protein-rich muscle tissue. Sloth bears feed on termites, which are high in fat. Pandas consume more protein from bamboo than some actual carnivorous animals do from their diets. Approximately 50% of a panda's energy comes from protein, putting them on par with carnivores like wolves. This adaptation demonstrates that bamboo, despite its low nutritional value, is not an illogical choice for pandas. Pandas' survival through evolutionary challenges. The notion that pandas are on the brink of extinction due to evolutionary shortcomings is another misconception. Pandas have survived for 6 to 8 million years and endured several glacial periods. They have demonstrated remarkable resilience in the face of environmental changes. One significant challenge pandas face is the periodic flowering of bamboo, which can devastate their primary food source. Bamboo flowers every 40 to 100 years, resulting in the death of the entire bamboo population in an area. However, pandas are not left helpless. They can either switch to different bamboo species or migrate to regions where bamboo remains plentiful. This adaptability has allowed pandas to persist despite these natural upheavals. Conclusion: pandas are often underestimated in their ability to survive and thrive. Despite early challenges with reproduction and criticisms of their bamboo diet, pandas have proven their resilience and adaptability. Their specialized adaptations for consuming bamboo and their ability to navigate environmental changes showcase their evolutionary success. So, the next time you see a panda video, remember that these creatures embody remarkable endurance and capability, challenging any negative stereotypes.